All right, Tyler's here and he says, what is your favorite grade and brand of oil to use in a 602?
All right, so like the oil that I have found to be the best of everything I've ever tested is 100% Daytona 1.
Mm-hmm.
And it's going to be his 540 Premium Series oil.
Mm-hmm.
It's...
Well, it's a grade 4 base stock.
Now I'm sitting here going freaking...
Oh, I know. Just you talking.
But like, it's extremely expensive.
I don't think so.
It's pretty pricey.
All right,
but what I'm going to tell you is it's worth the money.
Well, it can also last a lot longer.
That's what I'm getting at. So it's worth the money because it goes like probably, I don't know, where you're going to get like a X brand of oil like that you're going to run 3 races. This stuff will probably go like, I don't know, 8. So.
Yeah. So when we look at these, and looking at the 3, well, we sell several different kinds of oils, but one of our most populars and our go-to is going to be our Schaefer's oil. And we, of course we love, if they sucked, we wouldn't be on our website. So Schaefer's, we're looking at $10.62 a quart. Okay. And then previously our top oil, before we got the Daytona 1 products, was the Klotz.
Yep.
And the Klotz comes in at...
13 or $14 probably.
No, it's like 16.
Oh, okay.
Because, of course, in the world we live in, it is what it is. Yeah, $16.50 a quart. Okay. So then when we take a look at the Daytona 1 and we go with the 540, we're at $18.65.
Okay.
I don't think $18.65 versus $16.50.
Almost double of what the Schaefer's is.
Right.
Now, here's what I'm going to tell you, and being completely honest. Like, you've got any name brand good racing oil is going to protect your engine to a certain point without a problem.
Yeah.
I mean, there's oils I hate and despise just because of like people who own the companies and stuff like that, but they'll protect your engine. But
I mean, and even from like the Mobil 1, that is. Mobil 1s are base standard.
Mobil 1's a standard of everything we do in testing wise.
It's the base level, baseline.
Mobil 1's going to protect the engine just fine.
Mm-hmm. Now, where we get into some of the differences, because I've been learning a lot about oil, and I need to. I know Buck will.
Well, we had a conversation about this week.
Yeah.
Which I'm not going to expand on that conversation. I'm just saying that oil is very important.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I'm going to say like 1,000% important as far as like how your engine lasts and the longevity of it and wear and everything else. But it's not the end all be all if you've got bad machine work in your engine from GM. So. Well,
there's that. But just talking about just comparing oils, some of the things that I've learned about them is that, like any recipe is only as good as the ingredients that you put into it.
Correct.
I think we can all agree upon that.
Well, looking at and we're gonna, if you want to expand on that, if you want to talk like the base stock thing that Buck talks about, nobody's probably gonna understand that because they.
Well, and that's where I was just saying I need to talk to Buck more, and we'll need to dive in on a video.
Seriously,
but nobody else is using grade 4 base stock. It's like the purest of the pure.
Correct.
But I think it's actually pretty simplified.
My dyno testing and the guys that I have running his oil, and what I've seen after the engines come back apart, it's bar none the best shit out there.
Good deal. So. Well, and on the 1540, so we've got the full synthetic, which is the 540, and then we have the semi-synthetic, which is the 1540, which is going to be, as far as a price point goes, that one's $13.95. So
that
you kind of have Goldilocks.
When we tested with Buck, dyno testing, like that and the Klotz was the same.
Okay.
So both oils both of those oils are freaking magnificent. Mm-hmm. Run them. You'll never have a problem.
Yeah.
His 540, like if you want the Mac Daddy of all oils, that's the shit.
Yeah, it's kind of like, it's all about balance and what's good for your
Is it going to make a difference between winning and losing? Probably not.
Right. Or first and 10th. But when you're trying to squeeze every last little bit out of your engine.
Right. If you're like going for everything you can possibly get, then that's the shit you need.
Good to know.